All right, so you have a website and you've been investing in SEO for 5 years, 7 years, right? And everything has just kind of been being built on a domain name. All your content or your links are pointing back to this domain name. And for whatever reason, you need to make a change for that domain name. What are some of the reasons? Maybe you have two partners at a law firm and they're kind of going different ways. Maybe you just acquired an amazing domain name that you want to use instead of the domain that you had. For instance, I used to have a different domain name and then I acquired Hennessey.com. And so I had to make a lot of changes. What are the SEO consequences if you do that, right? I would be lying to you if I said that there were no SEO consequences. And there's a lot of variables at play. Sometimes the domain that you're acquiring has a lot of strong links to it and it can help your SEO. Other times it might just be an $8 GoDaddy domain name that doesn't have any age or history. And, you might lose a little bit of momentum, right? But it's really important that when you do make this switch, that you have somebody that knows SEO, because what you have to do is you have to go through and map every single URL on your website and create redirect rules so that the pages are basically redirecting correctly. You got to go in and change all the internal links of the website. There's a lot that kind of goes into it. It's not just like an easy change. And if you do everything correctly, usually there's probably about a 3-month window where you will basically kind of drop, right? Your SEO will drop. And that's because Google is removing the old URLs from the index, right? And they're replacing it with the new URLs, assuming that you did the redirects correctly. And then they also have to kind of go in and try to track and follow all of your inbound links that are coming into the website too. And so that creates a project that you're going to have to do later. Is you're going to have to go out and look at all your directories and Better Business Bureau listings and all that other stuff that are linking back and change the links, right? So that you get rid of any, they call it hops. So anyway, definitely if you're going to go through this, you're going to lose some momentum for a short period of time. But, in most cases, like after like month 4, and if you do everything correctly, you gain back a lot of that momentum and then you're back to smooth sailing again.